Oh, and you can see the chat. I've never actually done it on a...
Oh, really? You've never used one on the computer?
No, not on the computer. No, I just use it on my iPhone.
It's great. Yeah, we should be getting a good connection too. So we'll find out here momentarily. It says we're live. Sometimes it'll run a few seconds before it's actually live.
Oh, right.
Yeah, y'all are talking.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yay, we're all talking. Look, you've got...
Nobody's here. We
we
hung up on everybody, and now they've gone away. Oh,
Christine's back. Sabrina's back. Angel Isaac's back. Linda's back. Yay!
We still have to do. You still have to do one on your channel though, because that's where everybody is. Okay, hello.
Yay! The crew.
Oh, you have to turn
yours
off.
You have to be in there as well. You need to be in there. You need to be in there as well.
There you go.
Turn the crew. The saviors. The saviors. So that was all of us in.
So you had a good day, huh?
I had a brilliant day today.
So how were you treated?
Absolutely like a queen.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was good. Everyone was so lovely, so fabulous. And the nurse came in with those amazing glasses, like the Cruella de Vil.
Fabulous.
Her hair was, she had this
That was
thing.
the other one. That was Victoria.
Victoria, and I had to say to her, wow, your hair is amazing, by the way. And she went, oh my God, you know, and hey, I grew it all myself. She was saying like this, and she looked fabulous, didn't she?
She did.
And then this other woman came in. It's all about hair and makeup, girls.
Oh,
but
she had the best glasses.
Hi, Tammy.
The glasses and her hair. Yeah. It was just like perfect.
It was.
Anyway, they were all
Who
really
died? What's up, Brenda? Hey, I'm just shouting out. So that's all.
That's all right.
We were sitting here. We just got finished eating. We were having so much fun that we figured we better let you guys in a little bit. And so I opened up my channel and turned it on. I tried to do it on my phone first. It didn't work very well, so we opened it up on the laptop. And so we're all really just hanging out, telling fun stories, and we just thought we better share some of it because we're having a good time. Angel Eyes, yeah.
Angel Eyes. Angel Eyes has given me loads of brilliant advice over the long months that this has been going on.
Welcome, they're getting welcome to the States.
Is gone.
What?
What?
No. Your friend in your back is gone.
Oh, yeah.
Assist, yeah.
It's gone. It's gone. And it was like, you know, the hole that Wink's been packing, and it's just been.
They cut that out, yeah.
They cut the whole thing out. That's
no pun intended. The whole hole was cut out.
It was like something out of a horror movie. It was a piece of skin with the
hole in it.
At one point,
let's see if we can show you that.
Yeah.
See, how do you?
Just get it up in front of the camera. Yeah. There we go.
Right.
There we are.
See that? It is not a bit of steak. That is my hole.
It didn't make me hungry at all.
No. So, and then there's another one in there.
There's
a massive chunk of.
There's that one, and then there's that one. Which one do you want?
Oh, that's the most revolting.
Yeah, that one's pretty.
Do you want the most revolting one first? Would that be the best thing?
The doctor wouldn't let any videos, but he did.
He wouldn't let any videos, but that's it. It was so deep. It was right the way down to the muscle. There you go. And there's this
the middle one.
There's the hole.
There's the hole. That looks a little bit like an eye, doesn't it?
Packing it.
It looks like a belly button, umbilicus to me.
It looks like a belly button with some all gristly stuff.
Oh, I had a patient today that had.
So that's all gone. I know. Oh, isn't it amazing?
He had.
Amazing.
An omphalocele is what it's called. Right. And so he'd been in to see an urgent care facility, and they had sent him home on some antibiotics, and he came in and he saw one of our nurse practitioners, and his whole abdomen was red with infection. He had cellulitis, but he had a mass that had pushed the umbilicus up. So what he had was a bit of fat that had strangulated through an abdominal hernia right at the umbilicus. And so we had to send him over to be admitted to the hospital because he needed a general surgeon to open it up and remove all of that. So I had that in. So just remind me of seeing your
my belly button hole, back hole stuffing thing.
Yeah.
So it was all taken out, and I got warm blankets, and they are heated.
Yes,
heated blankets.
Restoration Mount Homestead. Thrilled y'all are here and wants to thank you, Doctor. You're welcome. I was glad to help out. Shop talk. Yeah. We just been telling stories. We've been having a good time talking about making plans for now that we've gotten through the rough part, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do barbecue tomorrow. And then let's see, that's Tuesday. And then either Wednesday or Thursday, we're gonna do Mexican food at our favorite Julio's. And then maybe Friday we're going to do the steakhouse. Yeah. What do you think? And so all of these places have vegan options for the 2 vegans here.
But steaks and meat for the beef for the meat eaters.
The meat eaters, right? Yeah. Doesn't she look great? She really looks good.
Thank you, sweetheart. Yeah, I feel wonderful, actually.
DW, you look wonderful. Well, of course she does. She's the DW.
She looks amazing. We've had such fun today, haven't we?
Wink's going to get that steak. I promise you. He's been eyeing the cattle across the road. We've got.
And
we're worried about them.
He's a medium rare boy too.
Oh, is he really?
So we're both medium rare on our meat.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we'll have a good meal.
And you've made us an amazing meal.
Yeah.
My first food since last night.
And it was vegan.
It was.
Is that chef? She's currently frying food.
Yes,
She's
Abby's cooking for us tonight.
Yes, she is. She's cooking up a storm. Somebody has, right?
I like zucchini, or what do we call it?
We have one vegan,
courgettes.
Meat, or
But I think the UK lot do know that they're called.
Christy, I was glad to help. All I did was spend hours on the phone talking to people and telling them how important it was, and how important it was for all of us to get together and help this wonderful lady from across the pond, so to speak, and get her in to get the care she needed. And obviously that was not care that I could provide in a clinic or in an office setting. It was care that she needed to have in an operating theater. And so we found a wonderful surgeon who really wanted to help. Dr. Patel is going to get big thumbs up. We're going to make a video.
Awesome.
We're going to make a video, a follow-up video.
Dr. Ahmad, who's also awesome.
Yes, yes. We're going to make a follow-up video for my channel, my main channel, before and after pictures. And we're going to really throw a lot of sunshine on both Dr. Patel and Tomball Hospital, because
Tomball Hospital did a great
they
job.
did. They worked out a price that was even better than the price they told me, and I did fudge a little bit on that price because I wanted you to bring a little extra money for that unexpected expense, and I thought we were going to have that with the ER today.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I told you to expect $2,500, and that was a bit over what I thought we were going to need. But I thought, we better be sure. Yeah. So anyway, so it turned out the hospital expense was only $1,500.
Yes, I didn't know that until afterwards. Eileen.
Yeah, yeah.
Eileen's been absolutely fantastic. Eileen has paid that out of her own money.
So she was all over that. So she's got control of the GoFundMe.
She set the GoFundMe account up.
Whoop, food's ready. There's the alarm.
The food alarm.
Yeah.
Turn the fan. Let me get that.
Sorry, I'm frying food.
You're frying food. We have that in our beach house. You only have to put the grill on and the fire alarm goes off. So we usually take the batteries out. Yes. Calls you from wherever.
This is great.
But yeah, Eileen was fantastic because Eileen set up the GoFundMe account and she lives in America. And I live in the UK. And there was this whole thing where we were trying to sort it out so that I had control of the money, because I know a lot of my fans, my lovelies, were wanting to make sure that the money would go to the right place, quite understandably. None of us have met and all that business. But actually, because it was going to take so long to sort it out, Eileen just said, look, I'll just pay you out of my own bank account and we'll sort the GoFund you out later, but we need to get it sorted. So she just said, here's my phone number. When you get there, I'll just pay the hospital bill for you. So she's paid that, and we are going to sort out everything in the background afterwards. So that was really great. And where's the camera here? I'm looking down at my own reflection.
Right there, the green light.
So Eileen, mwah, thank you so much.
And everybody at Tomball Hospital couldn't have been more amazing,
no.
were they? And I think HCA owns them now.
Really?
They're a big corporation.
Actually, I'm getting a message from Andrew, who does all the videos for my channel, my main channel.
Right.
And he wants us to go live on the main channel, the big one. But I think we should do your channel first.
Okay.
So
cool. Thanks for the video, by the way, Andrew.
It's a text message.
It's a text message. See, I'm talking to just an inanimate phone now.
This happens to British people when they come to Texas. Unless they've been here a while, they start talking to things.
No, Sue learned y'all today.
Yeah, hey y'all. Yeah.
Thank y'all, I said to the nurses. They were so fun, though, the nurses. Weren't they fun?
And we learned, that
amazing.
A theater is not just a place you go to watch a movie.
It's the operating room.
It's what we get. It's an
You're a doctor
operating
and I'm a nurse,
theatre.
but we've never heard of an operating theater before.
Yeah.
Okay, so I tell you what, it's been 10 minutes on mine, so we're gonna end stream here, and let's go. You want to go onto your channel? We can log on to your channel and do the same thing for
Cool.
your channel.
Thank you. Look, Sika is saying, you sure you had surgery today? You look terrific. Well, it is the hospitality that I've had so far, and I'm sure we'll continue to have. It's been a really, really good day today, and we've had lots of fun, haven't we?
We love y'all too. Okay, let's go.
Yeah,
We're gonna go to Sue's channel next and do this. All right, this is too much.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thynergy. Thynergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and thin form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thynergy, and I think it'll work for you.